everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I cook my collard greens with a smoked turkey leg that is very tasty. So let's get to cooking. So for my ingredients, I use regular collard greens, and my seasonings is Creole seasoning, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, onion powder, and smoked turkey leg. Okay, so first I rinse off my smoked turkey leg, and then instead of frying some bacon, I just put a little oil in the pot to fry my smoked turkey leg on both sides for about 2 to 3 minutes on low medium heat, so it can give my collard greens a little smoky, rich flavor. Okay, and then I fill a pot up with water till it covers the smoked turkey leg, and then I let it cook on medium high for 1.5 hours so the meat can just fall off the bone. Okay, so for my collard greens, I like to use the regular collard greens. So right now I'm going to be cleaning the collard greens really good and tearing them from the stem because it cooks quicker and they taste better. Okay, and then I fill a big bowl up with cold water, and then I tear the greens in medium-sized pieces so it's not too large, and then I switch the greens in the water to clean them real good, and then I lift the greens out the water into the colander to drain the water off them, and I repeat these steps 3 to 4 times till I see the greens are cleaned off. Okay, now I'm going to add my greens to the pot. Okay, and then I add my seasonings to the greens and give it a good stir, and I let the collard greens cook for 1 hour and 30 minutes with the smoked turkey drum leg. Okay, all done. Ooh, these greens look so delicious. And also my family enjoy the greens too. And I caught this clip of my sister eating some of my greens. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and like and comment down below. Do you like collard greens too? And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.